Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you a brief rundown on how to apply on Onlinejobs.ph without having any work experience. Now, if for example, you want to try online freelancing, or if you just graduated from college and you want to apply for Onlinejobs.ph, it is very easy. You just need to set up properly. As you can see here, this is my profile. It's blurred out. I don't want to, show my face or my name. Important things here. You need to have a verified account. So how do you do that? You need to give ID, address verification, and mobile number. So once that's done, you also need to provide test scores. So you need a DISC, an IQ, and an English test, as you can see here. So DISC, sometimes recruiters do look if your DISC score is ideal for what they're looking for. IQ, not really too much important. The higher the better, I would say. This is the most important one, which is the English comprehension. So written and spoken English. If you have, as you can see here, I have C2 or Advanced Mastery, one of the highest, because all of your clients are going to be foreigners. So Onlinejobs.ph is a job site for Filipinos. You need to have strong English comprehension skills and both written and spoken. So with that said, if you have a verified account and you've done this properly, doesn't matter how inexperienced you are, it is up to you setting up your profile properly and very professionally as much as you can. And then you just need to go to the job board, as you can see here, and just browse all jobs. And a lot of times here, they're going to look for experienced people. But if you click on this marketing assistant post here, you have to have the following qualifications: must possess a bachelor's, must be a self-starter, proficiency in Microsoft. So as you can see here, they're not asking for experience too much, right? But if you have bachelor's degree, sure, 102 related, they're not asking for experience. So even if you don't have any experience as a marketing assistant, you could still push when it comes to applying, and you just need to properly read what they're looking for and then create a cover letter. So if you want to create a cover letter, just click on apply for this job and make sure your cover letter is unique. That is the most important. You can't just copy paste your cover letter for all job applications. You need to tailor it to what job post you are applying for. So if, for example, they're looking for these responsibilities and you are at the least familiar with these things, like light video editing using Canva, blah blah blah, use that as a cover letter. Now here's the thing: you can use ChatGPT, prompting it properly, as much detail as possible, and then just fixing it and then applying for this. And a lot of times I started with not having too much experience, but I got a job. A lot of jobs here in Onlinejobs.ph. So yeah, pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.